Morning students, you all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are completed the previous class homework, isn't it? So shall we start the today's class? All of you take your note and book, students. Let's write the example 5.24. Okay, what is the 5.24? No, two buildings of different heights are located at opposite sides of each other. If a heavy rod is attached joining the terrace of the buildings from 6,10 to 4,12. Find the equation of the rod joining the buildings. See the diagram. There is XY plane is there. Two buildings, this one and this one. In between the two buildings there is a rod. The point is 6,10, 14,12. What is the equation of this rod? That only we have to find. 2 points are there in the sense we know that 2-point formula we can use. Is it? So we are going to find the we have to find the equation of this rod. Okay. So here two buildings are there. In between there is a rod in the terrace. We have to find the equation of the rod. Okay, 6,10, 14,12 points are given. We know that 2 point is there means 2-point formula we have to use. So what is the 2-point formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Here x1 equal to 6, x1 equal to 6, y1 equal to 10. x2 equal to 14, y2 is equal to 12. Okay, so let us substitute this values. We get y minus, that is y minus 10 divided by y2 is 12 minus y1 is 10, which is equal to here x minus 6 by 14 minus 6. We get y minus 10 divided by 12 minus 10 is 2 is equal to x minus 6 by 14 minus 6 we have 8. Okay, so here let us divide it. This 2 and 8 can be divided. So 1 here, 4. Cross remaining we have y minus 10 by 1 is equal to x minus 6 by 4. Cross multiply it. We have 4 into y minus 10 is equal to 1 into x minus 6. So multiply with this 4 and y minus 10. So we get 4y, 4 into y, 4y minus 4 into 10, 40 is equal to here 1 into x, x minus 1 into 6, 6. Okay. Now take this 4y and this 4y and 40 take this side. So we get x, this 4y term take this side, that side. So minus 4y and this minus 40 take that side. So we get plus 40. Already minus 6 is there, equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 4y, this 40 minus 6 we have 34 equal to 0. Therefore the required equation, the required equation of the rod is x minus 4y plus 34 equal to 0. That is a homework, that is exercise 5.3 question number 8. Okay, that is a cat is located at the point minus 6, minus 4 in xy plane. A bottle of milk is kept at 5,11. The cat wished to consume the milk traveling through shortest possible distance. Find the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. Okay, here we have to find the equation of the path. So equation of the shortest distance. Equation only need to find out. Okay, distance and all no need to find here. Only equation only we need to find out. See the diagram for this homework question. There is a xy plane, x, y. Okay, 2 points given. That is position of cat is minus 6, minus 4. Then milk is 5, 11. This one x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, shortest distance they said, no. So if we join, we get it will be straight line only will get. Okay, joining time straight line we get. Now 2 point is there. 2-point formula we have to use. Okay, what is the 2-point formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so here x1, y1, x2, y2 is there. Substitute and get the answer. Understood? Let's write the next question. Exercise 5.3 question number 9. Okay, what is the question number 9 now? Find the equation of the median and altitude of triangle ABC through A. where the vertices are A of 6 comma 2, B of minus 5 comma minus 1 and C of 1 comma 9. Okay, there is a triangle ABC named it is through A we have to find two answers. One is equation of median and another one is equation of altitude. Okay, let's draw the triangle ABC and name it A of 6 comma 2, B of minus 5 comma minus 1, C of 1 comma 9. It is given. Okay, so let ABC be the vertices of triangle ABC. Okay, we have two questions. One is equation of median and equation of altitude. First we are going to find the equation of median. What is median? No, median is the line segment from one vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, median is the line segment. Median is the line segment from one vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, median is the line segment from one vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. So first of all we have to find the midpoint of the opposite side. What is the midpoint of the opposite side of A? No, BC is the opposite side. So let us name this midpoint is D. Let us name this midpoint is D. So first of all we have to find the midpoint of BC. Okay, midpoint of BC. Let us find the midpoint of BC. Okay, what is the midpoint formula? Do you remember? Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1 is equal to, here we are going to find the midpoint of BC. No? So B point and C point we have to use. What is the B? Minus 5 comma minus 1. What is C? 1 comma 9. So here x1 equal to minus 5, y1 is equal to minus 1, x2 equal to 1, y2 is equal to 9. Let us substitute midpoint of BC equal to minus 5 plus 1. Means x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So minus 5 plus 1 we have minus 4 divided by 2 comma minus 1 plus 9 we have 8 by 2. Let's divide it using 2 table. 1 2 is 2 here 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay, so we have minus 2 comma 4. Therefore midpoint of BC, that is D. D is equal to minus 2 comma 4. Now midpoint we have. Okay, so that now we can find the equation of median through A. For that median is AD. AD is the median, is it? So A and D point we have to use. A is 6 comma 2, D is minus 2 comma 4. Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2. So 2 point is there. To find the equation of the median we have the 2 point formula. What is the 2 point formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, that is here y minus, what is the y1 value? 2 divided by y2 minus y1. What is y2? 4 minus y1 is 2. 2 is equal to, here also x minus, what is x1? X1 is 6 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2? Minus 2 minus 6. Okay, that is y minus 2 divided by y minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 equal to x minus 6 divided by minus 2 minus 6 we have minus 8. Shall we cancel this 2 and 8? 1 2 is 2 here, 4 2s are 8. So remaining we have y minus 2 by 1 is equal to x minus 6 by minus 4. Let us cross multiply. We get minus 4 into y minus 2, that is minus 4 into y minus 2 equal to 1 into x minus 6. Multiply with this minus 4 and y minus 2, we get minus 4 into y is minus 4y, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 1 into x is x, minus is there, 1 into 6 6. Okay, now let's take this 2 term right side. Okay, so x minus 4 take the right side, it become plus 4y, and this plus 8 take right side, it become minus 8. Already minus 6 is there, equal to 0. That is x plus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. Therefore equation of median through A is what is the equation we have? X plus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. Okay, now equation of median we got it. Similarly we have to find the equation of altitude. Let's do the equation of altitude. Okay, see the diagram. So altitude means that is height of the triangle. Okay, so it will be perpendicular. So let's draw the height of this triangle through A. Through A we have to draw. So that is, name it E. Okay, now AE perpendicular to BC. So to find the equation of altitude, what can we do now? Using concept of slope, we can find out easily. So slope of BC, let's find out first of all. So BC perpendicular AB. So two lines are perpendicular. M1 into M2 is equal to -1 condition can be used. Okay. So what is the slope formula? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Is it? So here B and C we have to use. That is -5 comma -1 and 1 comma 9. Okay, so here x1 y1 x2 y2. M is equal to, here y2 is 9 minus y1 is -1 divided by x2 is 1 minus x1 is -5. So we get 9 minus into minus plus. So 9 plus 1 divided by 1. Here also minus into minus plus. That is plus 5. Which is equal to 10 by 6. Let's divide it. Here 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, which is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore M is equal to 5 by 3. Since BC perpendicular AE, see here this base BC is perpendicular to this AE. So we can use the concept, two lines are perpendicular, their product of their slope is -1. Okay, so can we write slope of BC into slope of AE equal to -1. Slope of BC we have 5 by 3 into slope of AE is equal to -1. From here slope of AE is equal to -1. This 5 by 3 take this side, it become 3 by 5. Multiply. So -1 into 3 is -3 divided by 5. Sure. Now equation of AE we have to find out, is it? So using point slope form we can find out. Okay, A point and slope of AE is there. Okay, so we can use the slope point form. So what is the slope point form or point slope form? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here A is 6 comma 2 and m is -3 by 5. So let us substitute this values in this formula. We get y minus, what is y1 here? 2 is equal to m is -3 by 5 into x minus x1 is 6. So let us cross multiply. We get 5 into y minus 2 equal to, here -3 into x minus 6. -3 into x minus 6. So with the 5 multiply, we get 5 into y, 5y minus is there, 5 2s are 10 is equal to, here -3 into x minus 3x, minus into minus plus 3 6 are 18. Let's take this 2 term this side, so it become 3x, minus 3x become plus 3x plus 5y minus 10 is there, minus 10. Let's take this constant term to this side, so it become minus 18 is equal to 0. Now that is 3x plus 5y minus 10 minus 18 we have minus 28 equal to 0. Therefore the equation of altitude through the point A is 3x plus 5y minus 28 equal to 0. There is a homework, exercise 5.3, question number 10. Find the equation of a straight line which has slope minus 5 by 4 and passing through the point -1, 2. So there is a slope as well as point is there. So we can use the slope point formula. What is the slope point form? y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, using this formula you can complete this. Okay, next we have intercept form. Okay, let's write the formula. Intercept form of a line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, intercept form of a line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, so next example 5.25. Okay, what is the question now? Find the equation of a line which passes through 5,7 and makes intercepts on the axis equal in magnitude but opposite sign. Okay, let's do. Let us take the x-intercept as a, and here it is given one is opposite sign. So y-intercept let us take minus a. Okay, one is positive, one is opposite sign means minus a. Okay, so intercept form formula let us write. Intercept form formula is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That is from here second y-intercept we have taken minus a, so it become x by a plus y-intercept we have taken minus a, so minus a equal to 1. From here x by a positive by negative is negative, can write here. So y by a is equal to 1. Take the LCM. LCM is a. So denominator x numerator x minus y is equal to 1. From here we get x minus y is equal to a into 1 is a. Okay, let us take it as equation number 1. Okay, equation 1 passes through it is given, which point is given, it is passes through 5,7. Okay, passes through 5,7. So here x equal to 5, y is equal to 7. Okay, so substitute 1 implies x is equal to 5, y is equal to 7. So we can write 5 minus 7 equal to a. What is 5 minus 7? Minus 2 equal to a. Therefore a is equal to minus 2. Okay, put a is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. Put a is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. So 1 implies, what is the 1? X minus y equal to a. So 1 implies x minus y equal to a. A value we have minus 2. What is a? Minus 2. So this constant term bring here. So we get x minus y. Minus 2 take this side. So it become plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore the required equation is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Next example 5.26. What is the 5.26 now? Find the intercepts made by the line 4x minus 9y plus 36 equal to 0 on the coordinate axis. Okay, x and y axis. So solution, let us write the given equation. So equation of the given line is minus 4x minus 9y plus 36 equal to 0. Okay, we have to bring it into the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 0. So that, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So that let us take this constant term right side. We get 4x minus 9y is equal to 0 minus 36, that is minus 36. So then next we have to bring this right side is 1. Okay, so divided by minus 36 to get 1 in RHS. Okay, RHS. So we get here 4 exists there. No, throughout we have to divide. Okay, so 4x by minus 36 plus minus 9y by minus 9y by minus 36 equal to minus 36 by minus 36. Okay, let's divide it. So this plus not necessary here. So let's divide it here. 1 4 is 4, here 9. Here minus minus can be cancelled. Here also minus minus can be cancelled. 1 will get. So remaining is, and also here 1 9 is 9, 4 9 is 36. So we have x by minus 9. Here minus minus cancelled, so we have plus. We have here y by 4 is equal to minus minus cancelled, 36 by 36 we have 1. Now it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this one comparing with x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. We get x-intercept correspondingly, here a corresponding minus y we have, b corresponding 4. So a is equal to minus 9, b is equal to 4. So x-intercept a is equal to minus 9 and y-intercept b is equal to 4. Understood, students? Next, let's write the question number 12. Okay, exercise 5.3, question number 12. What is the question now? Find the equation of a line whose intercepts on the x and y axis are given below. First question, two subdivisions are there. First one 4 comma minus 6. Second one minus 5 comma 3 by 4. First one is homework. Second one let's do. Okay. Here both the intercept given, x intercept and y intercept given. So first one is x intercept, second one is y intercept. So x intercept a is equal to minus 5 and y intercept b is equal to 3 by 4. So intercept formula is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here let's substitute a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 3 by 4 in this equation. We get x divided by a is minus 5 plus is there, y by b is 3 by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, that is x by minus 5 plus this 3 by 4 division, write it as a multiplication, so reciprocal write, means 4 by 3 into y. That can be right, 4y by 3 is equal to 1. So take the LCM of 5 and 3. We have minus 5 and 3, so minus 15 is the LCM. So the numerator is 3 into x, 3x, minus 4 into y is minus 20y is equal to 1. Cross multiply it, we get 3x minus 20y is equal to minus 15 into 1 is minus 15. Okay, this constant term bring here, that is 3x minus 20y plus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation is 3x minus 20y plus 15 equal to 0. Understood, students? Next one is exercise 5.3, question number 13. Find the intercepts made by following lines on the coordinate axis. Two questions are there. First one classwork, second one homework. Okay. First one is 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. So 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. The given equation is 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. we have to rearrange this equation into x by a plus y by b. So we have to bring it into the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So that first of all, let us take this constant term as a right side. Okay, so 3x minus 2y is equal to 0 plus 6, that is 6. To get this RH side 1, what to do now? Throughout divided by 6, divided by 6 to get 1 in RHS. Okay, so 3 let us divide it. 3x by 6 minus 2y by 6 equal to 6 by 6. Let us divide it. We get here 6 by 6 1. Here 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Here also 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Let's write the remaining. That is x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1. What to do? Let's take the LCM of the denominator. Okay, what is the LCM of the denominator? No, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6, is it? So here the question is find the intercepts, is it? So LCM not necessary, isn't it? So what are the values are there? X by intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, is it? So here we have x by 2 minus y by 3 equal to 1. We have to find the intercept, means a value and b value we have to find out, is it? So this equation we have to compare with the, the intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So what we get now? A corresponding we have 2, is it? So a is equal to 2, comma, b corresponding we have 3, is it? But x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the formula. See, here we have x by 2 minus is there. In place of plus we have minus. So second term is negative. Okay, so b value is, what is the b value? B value is minus 3. Okay, a is equal to, b is equal to minus 3. Okay, understood students? So we can write therefore x-intercept a is equal to 2, comma, y-intercept b is equal to minus 3. Understood students? Okay, these are the today's class. Okay, so here one more subdivision is there, second one, that is 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. We have to find out the a and b value. How to do? First of all, this constant term take right side. Same this procedure you can use. First constant term take to right side, then bring it into the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. For that divide it by minus 12. You get the x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 form. Okay, after that compare with the x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 form and get the a and b value. Okay, these are the today's class. So homework and all completed. Take well practice to the today's questions. Okay, thank you students.